in VLOOKUP, okay, we typically may be getting is NA error. Okay, that means it is not able to find out the value. So what I will do is, okay, I am trying to find out, let's say suppose value of 100. So my product ID is 100 and I want to find it over here. Right? Let's say I put VLOOKUP here. So I'll say that VLOOKUP, okay, this 100 is a lookup value and this is my table array. Okay, give me the second column index and my lookup is exact match. Okay, see this, it is giving me an error. Okay, now this may be frustrating to you when you are creating your Excel. Note that, and also to your clients, to your manager, okay, wherein NA is coming, right? So what we have is, we have a Excel formula, okay, wherein it says that it checks whether any cell is NA or not. So as an example, if I want to check this cell whether it is NA or not, so I will say is NA and then I will select that value. So see this, it says that yes, it is NA, right? So what we can do is, okay, we can take help of this type of formula and we can recreate our VLOOKUP so that these formulas are being used and the data that we get is properly understandable format. Okay, as an example, let's say suppose if I get this NA, right, it may not be correct, right? What if instead of NA I say that whenever NA comes I say this value that is not found. Okay, so what we can do is, we can take help of Excel if condition. Right? So what we'll do is, we'll try to find what is this Excel if. Okay, so Excel if constructs help us to understand what to do the if else condition. So we say that if this is true, then do this, else do this. Right? So this is your if else construct. If this is correct, do this, else do this. So what we can do is, we can take the help of if construct to construct something meaningful error, right? Wherein rather than giving this NA type, we say to the client that okay, what error you are getting, what is happening. So what we have is, we have a if value here. So let's say we can see the if construct. So we use if. Okay, see this, we are saying that if, and then there is a logical test. So what is a logical test? Logical test is wherein the value you get is logical, that means either 1 or 0. So as an example, is NA was giving you true, which has a value of 1. So what you do is, you say that if is NA, okay, then the value is true, you say that data not found. Okay. Else what you do is, then you go and search do the VLOOKUP. Right? So this helps to get the client know that data is not there and hence he is getting error. So what we can do is, we can say that if this is, so let's say I have done over here. Okay, let's see, this is a better way. So what I am saying that if is NA VLOOKUP. So you are looking up 100 in this. Okay, right? If it is giving you is NA, that means the data is not there, so it will say that not found. Okay, but if it is able to find out, so you are saying that okay, do the VLOOKUP again. Okay, this is the problem here, you are doing twice VLOOKUP for successful things, right? So that is one thing that you have to suffer from. For large spreadsheet may be problem, small spreadsheet I do not see that it is a problem. So what we are saying is, if first you do the VLOOKUP and if it is NA, okay, then you can, whatever error message you want to say, you say. If this is false, then whatever you were searching earlier, just you put it over here so that it will search. See what we have done. So you see at 100 and 200 it says no, not found. At 102 it says remote. We are interested in searching the product name for the product ID. So at 100 2, it's give me remote. At 100 it says that not found, right? It is much better than this NA type of errors, right? So please ensure that you are comfortable in using the if clauses. If clauses are very simple. Okay, if you have a logical test, then value if true, else value if false. You should be able to use that.